Okay, let's create a beautiful rainbow with our physical sky. Okay, the rainbow is in a reality, it's opposite side of your sun. So make your sun in sunset, a lower distance from the floor. In opposite of that, we can create a rainbow. First, going to the time, May in this time. Yeah, I think it's good. The sun is in this direction. And in the opposite side of the sun, the rainbow will be created. It's very simple. We can just active rainbow and go into the rainbow tab. And here you can change the maximum strength. For seeing your rainbow, you have to render it. And as you can see, this is our beautiful rainbow. Very easy. Nice. And here you can control the transparency of that. How dense, for example, a higher number. And as you can see, we have more saturated rainbow. Turbidity depends. In reality, the rainbow will be created when we are a small rain on a sky, and the rainbow is with the refraction and reflection of the sun. Rain it's created. But in the software, you don't need to that. You just activate the rainbow. But if you want to dependent on the turbidity in other details section or sun or sky, as you can see, we have lots of turbidity time here and sitting here. If you want to depend on them, you can turn it on. But I don't prefer that because you have to a lots of setting to do, and it sometimes does not create. But just activate rainbow and rainbow is ready. Inner, outer, all of these angles don't bother your mind. If you think that your rainbow is very thick, it's very thick here, or it's very small tape. If you want to more fatter rainbow, just you can simple. This is an inner radius. This is an outer radius. You can increase the number of the inner radius angle, for example. Don't forget to make it always higher than this. It's outer and inner angle. And as you can see, we have more fatter rainbow. Just play with this or make it smaller inner radius. And as you can see, we have very big rainbow. So you can play with this angle and make thicker or thinner rainbow. And start and end clipping. For example, this is our rainbow, and airplane is, as you can see, we have a 2D dimension. This is a diameter of rainbow in this direction from inner angle to the outer angle. And of course, we have a Z depths our rainbow. For example, an airplane is going back of the rainbow and going through it and going front of that. You can define the thickness actually of your rainbow with start and end clipping. Look at this image. This is an start clip. As you can see, for example, this is there is intersecting the here, and it's going through and going back to the rainbow. So you can control the end and start clipping your rainbow actually. Okay, this is all about a rainbow. You can use it and enjoy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.